Yeah, good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. So tell me, what are your doubts? You can't discuss the whole paper, but you would have got some doubts, right? Tell me, what are those doubts?
So you're asking in both assignments in general or any one?
Both. No, both. First, we'll discuss about both. Then you can ask about it. Ask anything.
So could you discuss in the assignment to the 20th and 21st question?
Assignment 2, the 20th and the 21st. Okay, then the
Yes,
street
sir.
lamp.
Yes, sir. The street lamp question.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm just bringing it to.
Sir, in assignment 1, 20th and 23rd, sir.
Assignment 1.
22nd and 23rd question.
So even 14th sum in the assignment 1.
Sir, in assignment 2, 17th question. First 3 subdivisions.
Okay. So 1 minute. Just give me a minute, okay? My device is refreshing. So this part 1, right? This part 2, second assignment. Okay.
So are you presenting, sir?
No, I'm not presenting. So we'll start with, you asked part 2, right? I opened that first. Rohan, what was the problem you told?
20th, 21st, and for 22nd, you can explain the diagram alone, sir. Only the diagram.
20, 21, and 20. No, 22 we did not, huh?
Yes, I had a doubt in the diagram which I drew. That's only the diagram, sir.
Okay. This one we did in the previous class. Then that's it. Someone else asked from this assignment also.
So 14th
Yes, sir,
question.
14th and
17th question, first 3 subdivisions.
assignment 2 only, no?
Yes, sir.
17th, first two subdivisions, sir.
First 3.
3 and 14th. Okay. We'll start with 14th itself. So the equation of motion of a particle. 13.
Yes, sir. I didn't get the answer for it.
The normal to the curve.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So normal to the curve means x square is equal to 4y. Y dash is how much? 2x by 4. That is x by 2. Correct? So y dash is x by 2.
Yes.
Then if you substitute the value, y dash will be half. Then slope of normal will be what?
-2, sir.
Slope -2. 1 minute, wait. I don't think any answer will match. 2x is equal to 4y. Y dash is, I think the options are wrong. No answer will match.
Okay, sir.
Wait. I made a mistake. You know, we made a mistake. What is it? They told find the normal to the curve passing through the point 1, 2. They didn't say find the normal to the curve at 1, 2. So y dash is equal to x by 2. So what we can generally, if you take a locus point as h, k, y dash will be equal to h by 2. So y minus y1 is equal to m, that is h by 2 into x minus x1. Okay. This line is passing through which point? 1, comma 2. So in the place of y substitute 2, in the place of x substitute 1. Then you will get the relation between those two parameters. Again, substitute it back. That will give you the answer. Can you try immediately and tell me?
Okay, sir.
Do it fast.
Sir, but we'll get two variables here, sir.
Now, what is the relation you got? We'll find it out. K is equal to. What is the relation between K and H that you got?
I
You would have got
H
some.
minus H square minus 4 by minus 2.
Okay, we'll do one thing. 2 minus H. Why you understood why it is 2 minus H? 2 minus H is equal to H by 2 into 1 minus H. I hope this point is clear, right? But remember,
Yes, sir.
H comma K is the point at which we are trying to find the slope. I mean normal. So H comma K lies on this point. So H square will be equal to 4K. So K will be equal to H square by 4. Take and substitute it here. Now find out the value of H and tell me. Understood what I did?
So I have one more doubt, sir.
Wait. Yeah, I'll show you the diagram, then you will understand. See, x square is equal to 4y is a curve like this. Okay. There is a normal to this curve at h comma k. There's 1 comma 2. There's a point h comma k. Okay, I'll try take it like this. There's the point h comma k at which you're drawing the normal. It is passing through 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 is not a point on the curve. So h comma k lies on this curve. X square is equal to 4y. We substituted this h comma k here. Now, you know the slope of this line and find the slope of the normal and then apply the formula. Then you will get the relation between k and h. So what is the value of h that you got? So 2 minus k is equal to h by 2 into 1 minus h star. 4 minus 2k is equal to h minus h square. K is h square by 4. So 4 minus 2 into h square by 4 is equal to h minus h square. This and this will get cancelled 2 times.
So I have a doubt, sir. Here the slope should be minus 2 by h, right, sir? Since y
Yeah,
dash is h by 2.
correct. I made a mistake. Yeah, it is minus 2 by h. Was that your doubt?
Yes, sir, that was my doubt, sir.
So minus 2 by h. Yeah, calculate and tell me. No, you will get the value. See, I'll tell you the steps. Can you guys try it later? So
Yes,
once
sir.
you get the value of h, what you do, you take and substitute in the value of k. So k is equal to h square by 4. No, take this and substitute it here. So once you substitute, what will happen? You will get the value of k also. Once you know the value of h and k, you know the equation y minus y1 is equal to, that is y minus k is equal to m into x minus x1, where y1 is k, x1 is h. That will give you the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that is for the 13th one. Now, what about the 14th one? How many of you did it? The equation of motion of a particle is s is equal to 2t square plus sine 2t. X is equal to 2t square plus sine 2t, where s is in meters and t is in second. The velocity of the particle when its acceleration is 2 meters per second. It's easy, no? You do ds by dt, that will give you how much? 4t plus 2 cos 2t. So d square s by dt square is what? 4 minus 4 sine 2t. Correct? The velocity of the particle when its acceleration is 2 meters per second square. What is d square s by dt square, guys?
Acceleration.
Sir.
So that's right. So 2 is equal to 4 minus 4 sine 2t. So 4 sine 2t is equal to 2. Then sine 2t will be equal to half. Then 2t will be equal to how much? 30.
5/6.
Yeah, t will be equal to 15 degrees. Okay, t should be 15. So substitute t is equal to 15 here and tell me what is the answer. Or pi by 6. Actually 15 degrees is not right. Pi by 6 is right. This pi by 6 means how much will t be? Pi by 12. Take pi by 12 and substitute it here. 4 into pi by 12 plus 2 into cos of 2 pi by 12. So it will go 3 times. So pi by 3 plus 2 cos of, what is cos pi by 6? 2 root 3 by. So pi by 3 plus root 3 should be the answer. Sorry, pi by 3 plus root 3. Option 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
17th. Derivative of y is equal to f of x with respect to x axis if dy by dx is first order derivative of y. If you take the derivative of dy by dx again, we call it a second order derivative. Okay. Third order derivative. Okay. Now what are they asking? Y is equal to tan inverse of log e by x square divided by log e x square. So what was troubling you? You didn't know how to handle this log e by x square, right?
Yes,
Tan
sir.
inverse. Okay. The logic is very simple. Whenever you have a fraction within a log, always write it in the form of subtraction. Log a by b is how much? It is log a minus log b. So tan inverse of log e minus log x square divided by log e plus log x square. Because ab is how much? Log ab is log a plus log b. Plus tan inverse of, here you see 3 and 2 is there, here you have 6. So if you take 3 as a, 2 log x as b, is it not like the form a plus b by 1 minus ab? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So if I take tan alpha is equal to 3, then tan beta is equal to 2 log x. It is looking the form tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So tan inverse of alpha plus beta. Are you able to understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
this problem is all about this thing. So tan inverse of tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta, where tan alpha is how much? Correct, Asola? It's 3 and tan beta is how much?
2 log x.
Very good. 2 log x. So this will give you what? Alpha plus beta. This is going to be tan of alpha plus beta. So tan inverse of tan of alpha plus beta is alpha plus beta. So what is alpha? Tan inverse 3 plus beta is tan inverse 2 log x. Guys, did that make sense? So 1 minus log x square by 1 plus log x square. What is it? I know this is a tough problem, but so log x square is 2 log x. So tan inverse of 1 minus 2 log x by 1 plus 2 log x. Correct? Again, what will you use? 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. What is it? Tan of pi by 4 plus theta. So I can directly write it as tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 2 log x. So simpler solana. This is tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 2 log x. And this one is how much? Tan inverse 3 plus tan inverse 2 log x. So tan inverse 2 log x minus tan inverse 2 log x will get cancelled. Derivative of tan inverse 3 is 0. Derivative of tan inverse 1 is 0. What is the answer? Who asked this question? Rohan,
Sir, Anandita.
Anandita, you asked them. Huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Is it, if you're not clear, tell me. I'll write the details.
So
Are you
the
sure you're
answer
clear?
is tan inverse 1 minus 2 log x by 1 plus 2 log x, sir.
That no. Okay. No, then I'll explain. See. So this till this part you understood. Now tan inverse of 1 minus 2 log x. You understood why I wrote it as 2 log x? Because log x square is 2 log x.
Yes, sir.
Plus, are you comfortable with this thing? Tan inverse 3 plus 2 something I wrote. What is it? Tan inverse of 2 log x. This one, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen to this carefully. See, tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy is what? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Then.
Yes, sir.
So here what is taken as x? It is 1. And what is taken as y? It is
2 log
2 log.
x.
Plus tan inverse of 3 plus tan inverse of 2 log x. Where did these people come from? They came from this thing. 3 plus 2 log x by 1 minus 6 log x. Correct? So tan inverse 2 log x and this guy will get cancelled. Now y is equal to what? Tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of 3. Now you need not add them or do anything because they ask what is y dash. Y dash is equal to derivative of this plus derivative of this. Both are constants. Answer is 0.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Understood? Yeah. So please make a note of it. One minute. Yeah. Please write it down. Done?
1 second, sir.
Okay.
Sir, doubts, sir.
Tell me.
So tan inverse 1 minus 2 log x by 1 plus 2 log x is an expanded form of tan inverse a minus tan inverse b, sir.
Yeah. Because if you take this, see, nothing. I did the same logic. Tan theta. This is tan phi. Okay. Is it not like the form tan theta minus tan phi by 1 plus tan theta into tan phi?
Yes, sir.
Then this should become what? Tan theta minus tan phi. So tan inverse of tan theta minus tan phi. Sorry, tan inverse of tan of theta minus phi. So tan inverse of tan of theta minus phi is theta minus
Theta
phi.
minus phi.
But what is theta? Tan inverse 1 minus what is phi? Tan inverse of 2 log x.
Okay, sir.
So
Understood.
just apply the formula in reverse. See, if I give you a question like this, okay, let's say there is an MCQ question, x minus y by 1 plus xy, what will you write the option as? Is it not tan inverse x minus tan inverse y? Because when you do this operation, you are going to get this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why I wrote it like that.
Okay, sir. Understood.
So how to do the second one? If u is equal to x square plus y square, x is equal to s plus 3t, y is equal to 2s minus 3, then d square u divided by ds square is how much? So how to do this?
So when I iterate, t is still remaining in the equation, sir.
No, dx should go, no? D square u by ds square. How to do this? Can we do something like this? I'm just thinking what to do. Means you need to differentiate u 2 times. So if you do du by ds, okay, you will get 2x into dx divided by ds plus 2y into
By
dy.
dx by ds.
Correct? Okay. Now, what will we get the value of dx by ds as?
1 plus 3 into dt by ds.
So here the only problem is we don't know what that t is.
So
Is
t
a
will be
constant?
remaining, sir, after differentiation.
It should remain. If that is going to remain, we can't find the number. Actually, the question is slightly ambiguous because if t is not a variable, then I can write dx by ds is equal to 1. Then dy by ds is equal to 2. So this is what we can write, but we don't know what is t is. So this question, actually, the data is insufficient. You can't solve this.
Okay,
You can-
sir.
See, had t been a constant, yes, this is the method you will follow. Then what you will do is you will take these values and substitute it here. Once you substitute it, you will differentiate it again, then you will get the answer. That is, you will get du by ds will be equal to 2x plus 4y. Again differentiated. D square u by ds square will be equal to 2 into dx by ds plus 4 into dy by ds. Again, what is dx by ds? 1 plus 4 into dy by ds is 2. So 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Is there an option? Then this would have been the answer, provided t is a constant, but I can't confirm it.
Okay, sir.
So for these kind of questions in the exam, you're supposed to get the marks. Okay. Next. F of x is equal to 2 log of sin x. So f dash of x, no. 2 into derivative of log is 1 by the sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. So it should be 2.
2 cortex.
Oh, option itself is not there.
Yes, sir.
Then, if I'm not wrong, cosecant are there, sir. Now we can find f double dash of x. Let's see if that option is matching. So f double dash of x will be minus 2 cosecant square x. Then this will be. Then the question should have actually been f double dash of x. Question is wrong again. Okay. Next is 20th. In a street.
Sir, could you do the fifth subdivision also, sir, once?
This one, huh?
So I have a doubt in this, sir, that's y cube means you have to take this y square and then multiply it again with y, sir, to get y cube.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Then multiply it with the second order derivative of y square, y, sir.
But let's see, no, that's not the thing. 2y into y1 is equal to 2ax plus b. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Again, differentiating, you need y2 left. So 2y y2 plus 2y1 square is equal to 2a. So 2 will get cancelled. So y should be equal to a minus y1 square the whole divided by y2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
A minus y1 square divided by y2 is this thing. So since you need y2 here, we'll do one thing. Since you need y2 here, we'll substitute y1 alone. y1 has to get eliminated. So what is y1? y1 is 2ax plus b divided by 2y. So a minus 2ax plus b divided by 2y, the whole square divided by y2. Now can you take LCM and tell me what is that you're going to get?
2ay minus 2ax plus b
Aha.
by 2y.
4a square, 4ay square. Huh?
Yes, sir, I didn't square it.
4ay square minus 4a square x square
minus b square. Sir.
the whole divided by y 4y square y2. Correct?
Yes,
This is y. Now what you can do, you can take this y square into y2 to the other side, then it will become y cube into y2 is equal to, this should be 4a into, what is the value of y square? ax square plus bx plus c minus 4a square minus b square minus 4axb. So this will be 4a square x square. 4a square x square plus 4abx plus 4ac minus 4a square x square minus b square minus 4axb. This and this will get cancelled. 4a square x square, 4a square x square will get cancelled. What is this?
4ac minus plus b square. Sir.
4ac. 4ac
minus b square.
This is y cube by 2. They ask the derivative of this. Derivative of this should be a 0 because it's a constant.
Okay, sir. Understood how to do.
Yeah. _20th. In a street lamp, two lamp posts are 600 feet apart. The light intensity at a distance d from the first lamp is 1000 by d square, and the light intensity at a distance d from the second lamp is 125 divided by d square. In both cases, light is inversely proportional to square of the distance. Okay. The combined light intensity is the sum of the two light intensities coming from both the lamps. Okay. Based on the above information, answer the following question. If you are in between the lamp posts at a distance x from the stronger light. Okay. Let's take this is stronger, this is weaker at a distance x from the stronger light. Then the formula for the combined intensity coming from both the lamps will be how much? 1000 divided by x square plus 125 divided by how much? 600 minus x the whole square. Is there an option? Third. Did you understand, Rohan, what I did? Intensity is 1000 by d square, where d is the distance from where? From the lamp post to the point where you're standing. So if you're at a distance,
the intensity is the hypotenuse, sir.
That's not the thing. Intensity is given by 1000 by d square. That's the formula. 1000 is fixed. Okay. Intensity is inversely proportional to d square, and intensity of the stronger bulb is 1000 divided by d square. So 1000 is fixed. D will be the distance from the lamp post to the point where you are standing and seeing. It's not hypotenuse.
I understood now, sir.
Okay. The maximum value of x cannot be. So can you differentiate this and equate it to 0? So the maximum value of x cannot be 600. You need not even differentiate it. Why? Because this will become infinite.
Minus 600 be 0.
That will become infinite. So it cannot be 600. The minimum value of x can't be, this can't be 0. If I of x, actually they gave L, it should be I. If I of x, that is a combined intensity, denote the combined intensity, then I of x will be minimum when x is equal to how much? Differentiate this and equate it to 0.
We find minimum, sir.
Minimum means what will you do? Differentiate and take it.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay, that part I'm leaving it to you. The darkest spot between the two lights will be whatever you find as X from here, that will be the. So darkest spot is nothing but the point where the intensity is least. That is where the intensity is minimum. So whatever you get in the previous answer should be the answer for the bottom also.
Okay, sir. Fifth one will be the same as the previous one.
No. But see, thing is, they ask from weaker lamp post, stronger lamp post. No, see, for example, if you get the X value as, for instance, say 400, I don't know what is the answer. X is equal to 400. This is the distance 400 from the stronger lamp. So 400 is from the stronger lamp, means 200 will be from the weaker lamp. So this will be the answer.
Okay, sir. I understood.
21. So there is a gardener who wants to construct a rectangular bed of garden in a circular patch of land. He takes the maximum perimeter of the rectangular region as possible. Refer the images. Okay, the perimeter of the rectangle is how much?
Two X plus 2Y, sir.
So 2x plus 2y. But what is happening? Y is to be written in terms of x and a. So y square is equal to x square plus 4a square. So take this and substitute it here.
There's no option for that, sir.
I made a mistake.
Yes, sir. There's no option.
No, I made a mistake. 4a square is equal to x square plus y square. So y will be root of 4a square minus x square.
Still no option will be there, sir.
Oh, still no option. Huh? Wrong.
Yes, sir.
This should be the answer. It should be 2x plus 2 into root of 4a square minus x square. This will be the option. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So find the critical points dp by dx. To find critical points, put dp by dx is equal to 0. That's the concept, no? The value of y is. Value of y is what? At what instant?
So how can we find that, sir?
That's also meaningless. P is maximum and the rectangle is. Obviously, it should be a square, but you will actually what will happen when you solve it, you will get x is equal to y. So the value of y is how much? But see, but they would have expected you to calculate this because they told maximum perimeter. So perimeter should be maximum. Once you find the value of x, no, then you substitute it here. That will give you the value of y. So question is right. Actually, I'm sorry. Understood? So in the comprehension part itself, they told that the perimeter has to be maximum. So differentiate it, equate it to 0, find the value of x. Once you get the value of x, substitute it here, you will get the value of y. Once you get the value of y, find it out from here.
Okay, sir.
So see, generally, if I'm not wrong, when you solve this, you should get x is equal to y. When you get x is equal to y, right? You know that x square plus y square is equal to 4a square. So 2y square is equal to 4a square. Cancel it twice. So y will be equal to root 2a. This should be the answer. If a rectangle of maximum perimeter which can be inscribed in a circle of radius 10 centimeters square, then the side of the region is. There is a circle. There is a square that is inscribed into this. The radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Okay. Then this is also 10 centimeter. 10. Sorry. So this will be x by 2. This will be x by 2. So 2 times x square by 4 will be equal to 10. So x square will be equal to 20. So x will be how much? Calculation is this 100.
2 root 5, sir.
50, 200. 200 is 10 root. This will be it. I made a mistake. I wrote it as 100. It is 100 square, 10 square. No, I mean, sorry, I wrote it as 10. It will be 10 square. Yeah. For this, what is your doubt?
Only the diagrams, sir. The borders and what we should take as.
Can you refer the previous class video? No? Because again,
So I checked, sir, but the screen was not shown. Only audio was available. That's why I had to.
Screen sharing was not there.
Yes, sir. When I checked yesterday, it wasn't that, sir.
Okay. So poster to be formed from a company for the top and the bottom margins to be left are 9 centimeter. So top and the bottom margins are 9 centimeter to be left. And the side margin should be 6 centimeters. Also for this area where you want to print that advertisement is 864. So if I take the side to be A, this will be how much? A minus 9. This will be A minus 9. So how much will this be? Sorry. 9 and 9 are gone. This side will be A minus 18 and this side will be B minus 30, B minus 12.
Yes, I understood now, sir. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So first assignment, what are the doubts? To make it fast. Problem. I think this assignment over, right? Yeah. Any other doubt, guys? Tell me from term 1, part 1.
Sir, sixth sum.
Tan inverse half of cos inverse root 5 by 3. Okay. So cos inverse root 5 by 3, if you take this as alpha, there's root 5, there's 3. Then how much is this vertical side? 9 minus 5. So it should be 2. Correct? So tan of half of, it should be how much? Tan inverse of
2 by 3.
I understand where you get stuck. Okay, let's approach in a different way. Just give me a minute. Half cos inverse of root 5 by 3, let's take it as theta. So cos inverse 5 by 3 will be equal to how much? That's actually a good problem. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Guys, did you understand what I did? If you take cos inverse of root 5 by 3 as theta, okay, then cos inverse of root 5 by 3 will be equal to 2 theta. Then root 5 by 3 is how much? Cos 2 theta. Is it clear till this step?
Sir, what happens to tan?
No, I just took this part. I'll tell you why I took it like that. So cos 2 theta is there, no? So root 5 by 3, I will write it as 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is a very critical idea. So once you write and solve this, you will get the value of tan theta. Then that's the answer. Why I told that's the answer is because this whole thing I considered it as theta. So tan theta is what we need to find, the value of it. Guys, are you able to understand? So you can ask me
I
how
should
I
give
got
a
this.
bracket after tan, right? So
No need, no. It is understood. See, cos inverse of root 5 by 3 is an angle, theta. That angle is multiplied with half. So it is like a half angle formula. No need of any bracket. Question is right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, you have learned a new concept today. Make a note of it. So 1 minus
Yes,
tan
sir.
square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. I hope you understood. Now you will get a second degree equation. Find tan theta from it, and that's the answer. So who has this doubt?
Sir, I asked. Understood.
Understood? Oh. You're
The
convinced, no,
eighth
not for
question I
my
have
sake.
about.
Same question you also have a doubt. Huh?
Eighth question, sir.
Eighth. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 by x is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse 1 by x is cot inverse of x. So it's a property, no?
Okay, sir. I understood. No, sir. I didn't convert it into cot.
That's it. It's a property. Next.
Eleventh one I have a doubt, sir.
11th one. 11th one, what is the doubt? Sine of tan inverse x. What is the doubt in it? Theta da, tan inverse x is x by 1. So this will be root of 1 plus x square. So sine inverse, so tan inverse x is the same as sine inverse of x divided by 1 plus x square, root of 1 plus x square. So there is a sign outside. So what will be the answer?
By root of 1 plus x square.
That's it.
Then what's the user at mod x, sir?
Mod x is less than 1 means x belongs to minus 1 to 1. That is the domain.
Okay,
That is
sir.
the domain.
Understood.
Domain of sine inverse. Yeah. Next. What else is the doubt, guys? That's it, huh?
The 24th, what is the final answer, sir?
24th, huh?
Yes, sir.
24th, which one? First one, huh?
I'm not able to get like a proper value, sir. For it. It's coming in
Okay.
negative for me.
Did anyone get the answer for this? 3 friends, Ravi, Raju, and Rohit, were doing buying and selling of stationery items in a market. The price of per dozen of pen, notebook, and toys, per dozen rather, per dozen of pen, notebook, and toys are rupees X, Y, and Z respectively. Ravi purchases 4 dozens of notebooks, so 4x, and sells 2 dozens of pen and 5
So,
dozens. And sells, okay, 4 dozens of notebook and sells 2 dozens of pens and 5 dozens of toys. Raju
will it be
purchased.
minus 4x plus 2y plus 5z, sir?
Why minus 4x?
Because we are selling and we're getting money, right, sir? So when you're selling, it should be in plus, right?
You're taking like that. I took it in the reverse. That's it.
Okay, sir. The answer will be the same, sir.
But negative will change the number. What is there? It's a notation, really. It's a sign convention. It's up
Okay,
to us.
sir.
See, if you're taking selling as positive, then buying will be negative. Correct? You're thinking that way. Because I saw the question, the price per dozen, I took that as a positive.
Yes,
See, suppose you
understood.
get your final answer in negative, that means you're selling or buying something according to the notation you gave. That is the meaning. Okay, next. Raju purchases 2 dozens of toys. And sells 3 dozens of pens. I made a mistake, la? Four notebooks run. Notebooks run as y. So 4y minus 2x. So minus 3x. Where is it? Raju purchases 2 dozens of toy. So 2z. So 2z plus minus 3x minus y. Now what will be the next one? Can you tell me the equation for the next one?
Would be x
minus y minus z.
minus z, sir.
Minus it. So how much are they making? The process
1500, 140, sir.
100 and this guy is making 400.
So I made a mistake in calculations, sir. I didn't
Okay,
denote it properly.
Okay. But your question is valid now. This should be plus, this should be plus, this should be minus. The reason why I changed it is because I can take this 1500 as positive only when he's getting something. I didn't think of this number. Rohan, I hope you're able to understand, right?
Yes, sir.
So, or else, if according to the notation I took, if getting money is negative, then this should have been negative. I took negative there because he's losing objects. I didn't look it in terms of money. Okay, so whatever I took as negative on the left hand side will become positive, and the positive will become negative.
Yes, sir.
Now I think you will get the answer, right? Now you will be able to solve it. Answer given in the paper I have is 100, but I'm not sure if it is right. Did anyone of you get that 100? So that part I'm leaving it to you guys. Any other doubt?
Sir, how to
The
do the
27th question, sir.
I didn't get you done. What is it?
18th sum?
18th. The roots of the equation are just find the determinant equated to 0. What is the answer? Is there no option at all? I hope you can find the determinant, right? Find the determinant and then apply it. No? 1 into minus 10x square minus 10x minus 4 into 5x square minus 5 plus 20 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. And next, find the value of x. Those are the roots of the equation.
Okay.
Yeah. Next. That's it. Guys, yes or no?
27th question, could you explain it, sir?
This is solved in the previous class, right? This also we solved.
Sir, I'll check it in the video, sir.
Yeah. You checked it or you will check it?
I will check it, sir.
Okay, you go and check it. If you still have a doubt, let me know.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anything else?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, then we can wind up this.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually today I came to the academy to collect the corrected answer scripts, but it
You
was
got it.
logged.
What
The
time you came?
academy after school 12:40. Right after that I came.
It will actually not be
Before
logged. What you can do, you can ring the bell. It will not be logged. Maybe they would have gone. They eat the lunch inside. Next time onwards, if you come
actually,
like
the gate was logged.
which gate you're saying? You have come through the
Ouch.
main entrance, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think you came through that steel staircase, right?
Yes, sir. I